Something a bit different for you and for me. I'm going to be putting in a new salt pipe now. I don't do drainage. I just don't. But it was a favour for a friend of a friend, basically. We've done all the first fix on a bathroom that I'm having upstairs. But when we went to connect up the salt pipe to the existing one, we realised it was asbestos. So we can't do nothing with it. So the only option is to put in a new salt pipe. So that's what we're going to be doing. Digging up the driveway, digging up the garage and getting a new salt pipe in there. So it ain't something I'll really do. We'll see how we get on. And as always, please look at subscribing. Comment any questions you've got. And as always, drop us a like. It really helps us out as a channel. And yeah, let's get straight into this one. So today what I'm going to be doing is the customer had an extension here. And they've got a bathroom up in there. See the salt pipe coming out there, waste pipe coming out there. We need to put a salt pipe in there. So we've got to dig up this part of the driveway. Now the original idea was to connect it onto this salt pipe in here, which goes above the flat roof, but that is asbestos. It's not cast iron. We thought it was cast iron when we first come, but it's not. It's asbestos, so we can't exactly grind that out up top and put a new branch in. Yeah, this is where we're supposed to connect onto here. So what we're going to do is cut this down and make a T-piece across to where we're working, but obviously that's asbestos. So yeah, I'm going to do that. It's got all the equipment out. We're just going to dig up the section in the corner, find the main drain, then we're going to get some connections on there. Let's get to it. Okay, so an hour later, we've got that bit up. We've dug out the concrete here and we've hit the drain. Literally hit the drain. Gone straight through with a bit. But we know where we're going now, so we know that it's going up to the gully. So we've just got to dig around it now to make a connection inside there. But the top bit of this was rock solid. As you get underneath, it won't too bad, but at least we know now where the drain is. So we've got further enough down now to actually get onto the old collar, cut it off here. Cut it off here, smash that elbow. We want to cut it off there as well, so we can get two connections in and a T that way to get onto the saw stack. But that was a bit nervous cutting this out because it's all encased in concrete, so but we managed to get through it. So yeah, I'm just going to cut that and smash that out. There we go. Nice out. Great stuff. Right, so that is all dug out now. Got enough room underneath there around it to put the band seal on. Same with that one, so we can come off there into a T. Dug this trench out for the saw stack. That'll come up the wall there. It is going to protrude over the window, but this is only temporary. Well, 5-6 months is only going to be there, and then all the drains have been dug, so I'm having a big extension on there. Then the saw pipe's going to come up the wall, through there, and connect onto there. So that's the worst bit done, really. It's took us, it's about 11:30 now. We started about 8:30, so I ain't bad going, to be fair. So that's the drainage in. We've got to onto an elbow, onto a sweeping elbow, but we have got a problem. That is going to stick out the ground. But look, this is only here for 6 months. Literally only here for 6 months. I'm having a big extension done. All this is going to be took out and all the drains are going to be renewed. It's just getting temporary boy with a temporary bathroom. So yeah, we haven't going to have that sticking out the ground. But underground, you're not supposed to have anything sticking up because it's not UV protected. But I'm not really concerned because it's only going to be 6 months. It is because the drain's too high. Yeah, it all needs redoing anyway. So, but yeah, that's it all. Backfilled with pea gravel. Now you're supposed to go underneath that pipe 100mm down. But again, it's just a temporary drain. We haven't been able to get 100mm all the way around it. But yeah, we've got the pea gravel down. So we're going to start sticking it up there now. We're going to have to take some of the windsill out, bring it straight up there. So we've got the rod in. We measured the length, and then we're just going to connect up the saw stack. Got a bit, push it that way towards the wall. That's it. That's it. I got it. There we go. That's in. Now he's up to that T there. Brilliant. I'm going to say we've had to cut out some of the windsill just to get it back against there. That's right in the corner, exactly where we wanted it. Right, so that's rolling down to there now. We've got the T in. I think that will line up straight with a single socket elbow. Then we're going to bring the saw stack up and just do what they've done over here. Just terminate it above there, then get an elbow onto there, across, boss it into there, and that'll be the drainage done. Then we've just got to backfill it all there. It's always a nice job. I'm telling you now, the only reason he got that cut spot on is because I filmed him. It's a really good thing that I bought. It's a Chamfer Tool for saw pipes. It only cost me about 30 quid from Screwfix, but he's on a few jobs now and it pays for itself. Just what you do, let me just set it up. So don't put on too much pressure, just put it over your saw put. Can you see? It's just a rough cut at the moment. Put it on, not too much pressure. Show you what that looks like. There we go. See how it's chamfered all the edge? That quick as well. Really good bit of kit that is. Always make sure as well, before you do your joints, get some silicone spray on the joints. Just helps feed them in. Yeah, spray that all. Depending on there, don't be shy with it. You don't, you seal split. There you go, so we finished up here. So we've got a straight single socket elbow into there, up and above the roof line on there. So we're going to get some brackets now, clamp it back to the wall. Yeah, that's it all connected down to there. We've just got to finish off with the waste into the boss that we've just put down here. But originally we're supposed to be going from there across the roof. It's a good job we didn't, because look at the flue. Yeah, that flue would have had to be moved way too close to that wall. But again, from having a new boiler, it was supposed to be going into there. But yeah, you can see that's asbestos, so I couldn't touch that. Yeah, all that's coming out anyway. I'm going to have to get asbestos removal company to come and sort that out. So cold, it is so cold up here. It really is. 1st of November at the moment, and it's dropping in temperature. I am a little bit cold today. Not used to this outdoor malarkey working. Don't know how ground workers do all the time. I bet it's class in the summer, but not this time of year. Just going to bracket it, just put one on the top here. That'll hold that nice and secure. Then we can put middle, then the bottom. I'm just going to get some sand and cement just to fill in that hole there. But yeah, we've totally lost light now, but it's in field. Because I'm going to have to get a bag of sand and just finish off the paving slabs. Yeah, that ain't on my CV. I've done my best, to be honest with you. And all this is going to get infilled when he has the extension. I've said, well, put a board or something there. So obviously it's a bit of a trip hazard at the moment. But yeah, saw stacks in, got a rodding point there. Just in case it blocks up in 6 months, but I don't think you see that brown is on show. So let's say it's only temporary for 6 months. Don't panic. Bracket on there. Bracket on the middle, bracket on the top. I've got a feeling I should have put a bracket right at the top as well. Because I feel, yeah, I might be back to put a bracket on the top. I can't do it now, it's too dark. But the 40mm waste is in, and that is done for now. I'm just going to have a quick tidy up, put everything away. So I've got no light now. It's getting dark this time of year. But yeah, that's all done. Oh man, I forgot. I've got to put this grate back. That ain't been out for a while, has it? Look at it. Jesus, that is rank. There we go, all done. Now, that wasn't as bad as what I thought it would be, to be honest with you. I thought it would be a lot worse than that. It was just a few hours of, it wasn't no brain work involved really, it was just brute force, getting in there and digging out, which was a nice change of pace. Am I going to go into drainage? No, absolutely not. Just one area of plumbing I don't want to do. I don't want to do them type of jobs, but it was a nice change. Now, when I have an extension on my house, I have got to do something similar. I need to move terrain. So, will I do it myself? Yes. Now I've done it, been shown how to do it, I would have a crack on my own house, but I just wouldn't do it. I wouldn't advertise doing it, put it like that. So there you go. Thank you again for your continued support and watching. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next one.